Hi, my name's Christy Ingram. This is my assignment 7, Mindful Leadership Culture. Part 1, why do we fail to see the big picture? We tend to focus only on ourselves, think only of things relevant to ourselves, only think of our own struggles and our own life, and we also fail to realize it could be worse. It's important to learn how to stop sweating the small stuff and stop trying to seek perfection in what we do. What are your priorities? Mine would have to be my family, having a job to help support my family, and also finishing my degree. It's important to focus on what really matters and enjoy the journey of getting there. Where's your opportunity to make a difference? How are you accomplishing this? At work with my coworkers, I think I can accomplish this by being helpful and understanding when they have problems, being more helpful in speaking up at work if I disagree with something or I think I have something to add to the situation, and being more open to learning new things and realizing I may be an old dog, but I can still learn new tricks. There are more ways you can make a difference too, such as sharing your story, volunteering, and acts of selflessness. Do you believe you reached your full potential? Why or why not? Not at all. I want to be in a profession that I'm passionate about, and to do that, I have to finish my degree. And realizing I can't just sit back and expect change to happen, I have to initiate that change. Complacency really is the enemy. You have to work for those goals. How great can you be? How do you intend to get there? What is holding you back? I can be better. My goal is to finish my degree and work in the college system. The main thing holding me back really is myself, my self doubt. I never think I'm smart enough to accomplish my goals. Most days, I don't think I'm smart enough to finish this degree, but I continue to try. It's important to realize when talking about being great, it's not about being better than someone else. It's really about being true to yourself and being the best version of yourself that you can be. And these are my part 1 references. Now for part 2. How can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? One way is by lowering employee stress levels. This can be achieved by going for walks inside the office or outside, making sure to breathe deeply and notice each step that's taken, be very aware. Or even sit or lie down where you can enjoy some privacy, such as an empty meeting room. You can also share positivity with colleagues, which improves the office environment. You can do this by leading by example, communicating the benefits of mindfulness, facilitating group activities, and offering recognition for those embracing mindfulness. You can it improves productivity by uh, focus, attention, and behavior, and creating a more relaxed atmosphere. This is done by designating times for mindfulness, eating lunch by yourself, don't bring the phone or the laptop, eating slowly, taking time to finish, even just taking 5 minutes to make your favorite cup of coffee. It creates an improved work environment. Those who practice mindfulness during the workday show a reduced work life conflict and increased job satisfaction. And these are my references for part 2. Thanks.